In this video I will show you how you can make a custom DIY headphones holder from any clamp that you have around you. You have the headphones like this on the desktop. It doesn't look great, but there is an easy, simple fix. You get a clamp. This one I got from it was very cheap, less than €2. It was a smartphone holder, like a tripod. It was like a spring thing. The most important here was the clamp. I needed the clamp, and it's like this with this spring. You can buy this kind of clamp from any DIY store, online, from whenever. You can use the clamp on your desk like this and put the headphones there. You can even put a second pair of headphones, and these are the bigger ones, Sony 7506. I use them right now, and just before using them I had them on the clamp. They will just sit there perfectly. If it happens that you want to have it vertical, you can keep it like this, but put it at about 30-degree angle or 45-degree angle, so it holds the headphones. It does it so they don't fall out, basically. Put the headphones there perfectly, and it's easy to remove, easy to put somewhere else. It's a really nice trick. Any clamp works for this. If this video helped you, make sure you give a thumbs up and tell your friends about this channel, and share this video. Tell them how easy it is to keep their headphones tidy, organized, without having lots of cables on their desk. Hope this was helpful. Let me know in the comment section below how you keep your headphones, and if you use this system, let me know where you keep them, on your desk or on a shelf next to your desk like I do here. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.